All right, guys, let's go ahead and talk about KNN machine learning, another type of, interesting trading strategy that can help you to just make smart trades. Now, this one, as we go down in this, path, when we talk about indicators and strategies, things get a little bit more advanced, and this is where things get really, really advanced. So the idea with KNN machine learning, KNN is an algorithm, machine learning algorithm, which allows you to assign data to a new category. Okay, so again, as you see, we got the picture here. Before KNN, you got a data point and you put it in category A, category B, and then you just assign it to a category. So it's a pretty simple yet powerful indicator. Now, generally, you can't find a default indicator that does that for a stock market. The idea with this is that in stock market, what you can do is that you can analyze the price movement and the percentage movement of the stock, right? And what you can do is that you can actually see if this belongs to category A, which is uptrend, or category B, downtrend, based on the movement of the past. It's a really powerful strategy to find trends, okay? And it is quite interesting because, again, what it does is that it allows you to see the type of data that no one else sees, which is the shape and the percentage of the candle movement in the past, and compare it with current market movement. Again, it's an incredibly powerful thing, and on TradingView you might be able to find a few KNN indicators. It's very rare, but that's why I actually developed this for myself. But if you search some KNN, you might find something here and there. There's a couple that I like, but the advanced ones are usually not built because they're too complicated to build anyways. And also in the TradingView, it's actually a little bit hard to build machine learning stuff anyways. So again, the idea with this is that, well, in Golden Slope, we actually ended up developing a very advanced one. And, we have our own KNN machine learning. So we got these waves. These are the KNN machine learning waves. And the way these waves work is that they obviously look back and find the trends. And as they stop detecting trends, they turn red. So red is essentially the exit, and blue is entry and uptrend. So it is a very powerful thing, and it works really, really, really well. It is very accurate. The only downside, and this is not just more of a downside of the KNN formula, but more like a downside of the platform that I'm using it, which is TradingView, is that it doesn't learn all the way back. Usually, ideally, when you have a machine learning system, you want it to learn all the way back. But with KNN, there's a limit. Like for example, if you go to Golden Slope settings, there you go. There you go. We got the KNN machine learning periods, and there you go, LRR. So you can set it all the way to maybe 100, but after that, it's just not going to perform as well. So it's very important, to remember that. But it's just a limit of the platform, not the algorithm itself. So, but yeah, again, this is a very powerful system. It can help you a lot to make really smart trades. And it's one of the things that I'm using, and it is giving me a massive edge when it comes to trading stock market. And again, I use it alongside other stuff such as long returning range, which is another formula that we designed, which is taken from average true range, which I'm going to talk about in the next video. But on a combination of all these things, the buy blocks, sell blocks, and all that stuff is allowing us to make really smart trades using KNN machine learning. And you see the results here. That's how powerful this thing is and how good it actually works. So with that being said, again, I just wanted to let you guys know about KNN machine learning. It's another powerful day trading strategy. It's another powerful day trading indicator that you can use for yourself. Definitely check it out. I'm gonna leave a link to Golden Slope as well as some other name to a few KNN machine learning indicators on TradingView. Again, based on the tests that I've done in the past, they're not going to be as good as the Golden Slope, but it's something that you can check out as well. Or if you can just request access to Golden Slope if you want. But yeah, guys, let me know if you have any questions. I just want to kind of point this out. KNN is a very interesting strategy that you can use. Yeah, so let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next one.